How much money can you make casually selling stickers on Redbubble? Is it worth it? We're gonna talk about that today. I'm gonna go through some of my designs, how much I sold of them, and then at the end, total up exactly how much I've made since starting my shop. I got Redbubble a few years ago when I was starting out in college. I was getting my graphic design degree. I had no idea what I was doing, and I was kind of just throwing designs together, throwing them up on Redbubble, and just to see what stuck. Now that I've graduated, I have my degree in graphic design. I've learned a lot. I've gained professional experience, and moving forward, I do want to start putting more high quality designs on my shop. You know, I thought this would be a good way to show people, like, if you're not super skilled in graphic design or you don't really know what you're doing and you just kind of want to throw things up there, you can totally do that, because that's what I did, and I still made a profit. Again, I want to reiterate, like, this is not my best work. This is work from like a few years ago that I already had it done and I threw up there. I'm not going to go through my entire shop today. I'm just going to single out a few that like didn't do well, ones that did the best, etc. If you do want to check out my shop though, it's called Bellbottom Possum. It may still be under Bryn Creates, but it's supposed to be Bellbottom Possum now. So if you want to go check out my shop, I'm gonna start uploading like high quality designs on there, like really fun stuff. So if you want to check it out, go there. But yeah, let's go through my shop a little bit. Definitely need some updating to do. I have a lot of SpongeBob inspired stickers. Keep in mind you can't sell anything copyrighted. So for this Good Noodle star sticker, this is one of my best sellers. 24 people have hearted it, and it's only sold 17 times. You would think that you would get $2 from that. No, Redbubble does take most of the profits, which really sucks, and it's kind of alarming how much money they actually take, because they do all the printing, the manufacturing, the shipping. They handle all of that. So another sticker that has done really well is Another Day, Another Migraine, both the one with the brown background and the clear one. The brown one, 41 people have hearted it, but only 13 people have actually bought it. I just checked, 17 people have hearted the clear one, and it has sold 5 times. Let's see, a load of barnacles. I really like this sticker, and it's only sold twice. Let's go to another page. Okay, so I got crazy one day and I decided I'm gonna make one sticker for every state, and you know, these were very easy to make. It was just taking the flag, repeating it, changing the color, changing the type, and I looked up popular sports colors associated with the state. I made a flag like this for Iowa, and the flag was black with yellow colors, and it just said Iowa in cursive on a flag, and Iowa got mad at me and they said, you need to take that down. I worked for Oklahoma State. I know that this Oklahoma State inspired pennant sticker that I made does not violate any Oklahoma State copyright guidelines. I'm literally just putting the color orange on a flag and putting Oklahoma over it. So it's really unfortunate that the Iowa sticker had to be taken down. But yeah, you're gonna have to deal with that stuff, unfortunately. My Oklahoma pennant stickers have done really well in terms of my other stickers. So for this sticker right here, this orange Oklahoma pennant sticker, 11 people hearted it. It's been sold 6 times. For this maroon Oklahoma sticker, 21 people have hearted it and 20 people have bought it. For the Arkansas sticker, 2 people have hearted it and 7 people have bought it. The rest of these stickers, a lot of them have like 0 likes, 0 sales. Most of them are that way. Some of them have sold once or twice, but most of these have not sold at all. I want to mention the only marketing I'm doing for the stickers are I'm sharing them to a Pinterest board, so they may pop up on Pinterest. Mainly, yeah, if you want to, you can go to my shop, but like, I do not have a lot of stickers up there right now. I just have the SpongeBob inspired stickers, the state college stickers, and a few other ones. So if I really dedicated time to this, I'd probably have a lot more sales just because of the amount I'm putting on Redbubble. Obviously it's no guarantee that like the more you put on Redbubble, the more you're gonna sell. But if I continue to do more SpongeBob inspired stickers or I could see, wow, my Oklahoma pennant flag stickers are doing really well. I should do more Oklahoma themed stickers that are maroon and orange, and those would probably do really well too. I just haven't really done, I haven't given it time. I haven't done all that. So again, this is just for people that are, this is a very casual go at Redbubble, uploading designs here and there and seeing what happens. So let's go to my sales. We're gonna see, this is where it kind of sucks. Let me find an example. Let me go all the way back. Side note, I want to mention, also another reason why I started doing Redbubble, you know, I thought, okay, if I really wanted to, I could order my stickers online, sell them through Instagram, sell them through Etsy. But when I was a student in college, like, it's not really reasonable to send one sticker to someone who lives states away, and then you're gonna have to just pay for shipping, and then you're not gonna make any money at all. So my reasoning was like, it makes sense to sell stickers on Redbubble, because let's say you don't have the means to ship stuff anyways, and there's gonna, it's so cool. There's been people all over the US. Oh yeah, oh wow. Someone from Germany, Australia are buying my stuff, Minnesota, Kentucky, Georgia, California. I've never looked through this before. It's very cool. A lot of people all over the US and across the world, I guess, have bought my designs. So I would think, well, I didn't really have the means to sell a sticker to someone in Germany, and getting a little money is better than none at all. So I feel like I must have sold stuff in like 2022, 2023, but when I'm looking through my sales history, this will only be sales that I have made in the last year of casually uploading designs. One example, I sold one sticker on August 24th. The person paid $1.50 for the design. The manufacturing fee was $1.26. So my margin was 24 cents. Yeah. It looks like one person bought 3 stickers. They paid $4.89, manufacturing fee $4.14. So I sold 3 stickers and I got 75 cents from that. Someone bought 4 different stickers. This came out to $9.72. Manufacturing fee $8.23. I received $1.49. So usually, like, let's say you're at an art fair and you like made a sticker yourself, at least you should probably like maybe sell it anywhere, maybe like $3. I don't know, depends on the design obviously, but I would sell a sticker for maybe like $2 or $3. And you decide going on Redbubble is worth it for you, you're only gonna make a fourth, no, not even a fourth, like an eighth and a 16th of what you could be making. You're not gonna be making a lot of money on Redbubble. We could sit here and talk about the whole conversation of, well, but if you had to buy the stickers and the print materials and the Cricut and the shipping fee and the manufacturing fee, like, yes, some people do not have the means to do that. I did not. But if you're gonna go through Redbubble, you're gonna be making like a 16th of what you could be making, or an 8th or a 4th. You can go to product pricing, and Redbubble is very upfront by how much money you're gonna be making. They will straight up tell you, if you sell this drawstring bag and the retail price is $40, you're gonna be making $7, which is like 20% of it. If you sell a $3 sticker, you're gonna be making 50 cents. So if someone buys a sticker that's $1.50, you're gonna be making 20 cents, which is most of the time what I'm selling. Like, they're not scamming people. They're being very upfront by, this is how much money you're making, because it costs them to print your stuff and send it. So I want that to be very clear. I'm not like upset with Redbubble or anything like that, but it is unfortunate that, you know, I wish that artists could be making more money through Redbubble. Let's say you're like, well, I want to make more money. I don't like that. Okay, go to product pricing, drawstring bag. This normally would be $40, you'd get 7. Well, you're like, I want a 50% margin. Well, now your drawstring bag is $50, you're gonna make 16. Great for you, $16, whatever. Who's gonna wanna buy a $48 drawstring bag? Like, that better be like the most like coolest drawstring bag ever. If you want to make money, you have to invest time and effort into like making a shop, selling the products yourself, investing. So let me go through exactly how much I've made in the last year. This first page, I have 2 pages to look at. So how much money have I made in the last year by casually uploading stickers to Redbubble? I have looked through all my sales, everything. I have made $50. So yeah, there's been times where I've spent a few hours putting designs on Redbubble, and you know, if you're someone like me and you're right out of college and you have a graphic design degree, you need to, at minimum, you need to be paid like $20 an hour. But realistically, if you're a freelance artist, we're looking more at like $50 an hour. And there is no way that in the last year I just spent 1 hour, you know, putting designs up on my shop. So financially, like if we take a step back and we think about the time and the effort I'm putting into, you know, making designs for Redbubble alone, uploading them, taking the time to figure out the title, the keywords, the description, it is not worth it. It's not worth it. But I want you to keep in mind that these were stickers. I did not put a ton of stickers up here. I did not put a ton of designs up there. Now if I made a bunch of t-shirt designs and put them up on there, like, it's gonna be the same thing. Like, yeah, you'd probably get more money, but how much time did you put into making those designs? So for Redbubble, my personal opinion is if you literally have no other way to sell your designs, you already have designs like ready to go, yeah, might as well upload them. But personally, I would not spend time making designs with the sole purpose of only putting them on Redbubble. One good thing about putting your designs on Redbubble is to kind of like feel the market out, like what are people buying, what's getting popular. And then I was able to use that and go, okay, I'm gonna print out my Oklahoma pennant stickers, my Good Noodle sticker. It's not that worth it. Yeah, only throw them up if you already have them, like everything I already said. If you've made it through the whole video, thank you so much for just spending some time with me, chatting, going through this stuff. If you want to check out my shop, it is called Bellbottom Possum. If this video was helpful to you in any way, please like and comment. I appreciate you. Thank you. Have a good day.